Good morning, Raj.
Morning, Priya. Another busy day ahead.
Yes, it will be a busy day. I need to start breakfast after waking up the kids.
All right, love. I'll be right behind you.
Arav, wake up, beta. You'll be late for school.
5 more minutes, Mama.
No. Get up right now. You said the same thing yesterday and then we had to rush.
But Mom, I'm so tired.
I know, sweetie. But we can't be late again.
Okay, Mom.
Meera, wake up, my dear.
Good morning, Mama.
Go brush your teeth.
Okay, Mommy.
Smells good. What's for breakfast?
Parathas and eggs. Can you help with the lunch boxes?
Sure. What should I pack?
Sandwiches, fruits, and some cookies. And fill their water bottles.
Mama, I don't want to go to school today.
Why not? You have sports class today. You love sports.
But I'm tired.
You're tired because you slept late. Now eat your breakfast quickly. Meera, go get your school bag. Did you pack your homework?
Yes, Mama. Papa helped me last night.
Let me see. Homework check. Books check. Tiffin box? Where is your tiffin box? In the kitchen. Go get it. And wear your shoes. We are leaving in 5 minutes. Great. Let's get your bag.
I'll drop them today. You were stuck in traffic yesterday.
Thank you. Arav, Meera, come here. Give Mama a kiss.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, my loves. Study well. Listen to your teachers. Arav, don't fight with your friends.
I won't, Mama.
Raj, drive carefully. And don't forget your laptop bag.
I have it. See you in the evening, Priya.
Okay, time to clean the kitchen table. The house was so noisy a few minutes ago. And now it is completely quiet. Finally, some peace and quiet. Now, I will vacuum the living room. How do they scatter everything so much? I will wash these dishes quickly. After that, I can relax for a few minutes. Hi Anjali, are you ready for yoga class? Yes, I am ready. I will pick you up in 15 minutes. Perfect. I will get ready now. Yoga time. I really need this. I feel so refreshed now. Me too. Same time tomorrow? Yes, definitely. Okay, back home. Now it's time to finish the housework. First, let me put the clothes in the washing machine. Let me fold these clothes first. I will iron Raj's shirts for the week. Better to finish this now. Every day it is the same story. There, all looking fresh and green. Plants also need love and care. Now I will prepare the dough for evening chapatis. Dinner preparation is halfway done. I should pack some healthy snacks for the kids. They will feel hungry the moment they return. School time is over. Let's see who comes out first.
Mama, I got a gold star in drawing today.
Wonderful, my talented girl. I am so proud of you.
Look, Mama.
It's beautiful, Meera.
Bye, Aryan. See you tomorrow. Bye, Arav. See you.
Arav, how was your day?
Good, Mama. We played football and I scored 2 goals.
That's my champion. Now both of you, get in the car. All right, buckle up. Seatbelts on, everyone.
All buckled. Me too.
Here is your milk and sandwiches. Eat first, then homework time.
Mama, can we watch TV?
After homework. Now show me what you need to do. Let's do your math together. If you have 5 apples and eat 2, how many are left?
3, Mama.
Excellent. Very good.
Hi, I'm leaving the office now. Do you need anything?
Yes, please bring some vegetables. We need tomatoes and onions.
Mama, can we go to the park?
Yes, but only for 30 minutes. They look so happy when they play outside. They need to burn their energy before dinner. Otherwise, they will not sleep on time. Okay, children, playtime is over. Both of you, go take a bath. Papa will be home soon.
Okay, Mom. We'll go now.
I'm home, my troublemakers.
Papa!
Did you both behave today?
Let Papa freshen up first. Then you can tell him about your day.
I'll be back in 5 minutes.
So, what did everyone learn today?
Look, Papa! I got a gold star!
Wow, my little artist.
That's wonderful, dear. Hard work always brings success. Now eat your vegetables.
Papa, I scored 2 goals today.
That's amazing. I'm proud of you, champ. I also had a busy day. I finished an important presentation today.
Brush your teeth, both of you. It's bedtime.
Mama, can you tell us a story?
A short one. You both need sleep. Once upon a time, there was a brave princess and a clever prince who helped her. Good night, my angels. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mama.
What a day.
Yes, every day is like this. But I wouldn't change it for anything.
Me neither. You manage everything so well, Priya.
We're a team. We support each other.
That's why our home feels so happy.
Let's plan for tomorrow.
Yes, another beautiful day awaits us.
Time to sleep.